Are you serious? You really think I'm going to collect that?
Is that the thank you I get for helping you?
That is a biohazard.
That's a bottle cap, not a kiss. Relax.
Why would you just open your mouth and just put it on a stranger's drink with your saliva?
Hey, God. Hey, Diego, you don't judge me. What did you expect me to do?
You know you have to pay for it, right?
Pay per alcohol. As how?
You want me to drink your saliva that you've poured all over my bottle?
How much?
2,000 naira.
This thing is 2,000 naira.
Yes. Please pay and drink it.
Where I go, you 700 naira buy.
Mr. Man, pay when you're ready.
I will pay when you don't start to drive.